Welcome to a truly lovely way to care for yourself. Today, we are exploring the simple beauty of detox water, a drink I like to call a glow from a glass. This isn't about harsh cleansers or complicated rules. Instead, it is about finding a moment of calm and nourishment in your busy day. It's a gentle invitation to connect with your body and offer it something pure and beautiful. This guide is designed to be a soft and soothing companion on your wellness journey. We will slowly walk through the gentle benefits, the natural ingredients, and the simple steps to create a drink that helps you feel refreshed, hydrated, wonderfully vibrant from the inside out. The benefits of enjoying detox water are as gentle and clear as the drink itself. The primary and most wonderful benefit is that it helps you stay beautifully hydrated. So many of us find it a challenge to drink enough water throughout the day, and this simple infusion makes it a delightful experience. When your body is well hydrated, everything works a little better. Your skin often appears brighter and more supple, taking on a natural, healthy glow. Proper hydration is also essential for energy levels, helping you move through your day with the feeling of vitality rather than fatigue. It's a simple change with a truly noticeable impact. Beyond hydration, the fruits and herbs you choose add their own subtle, plant-based goodness. While it's not a magic potion, these natural additions can offer a small, welcome boost. For example, adding a few slices of fresh lemon can gently support your digestion, especially when enjoyed first thing in the morning. Cool, crisp cucumber slices not only taste incredibly refreshing, but also have a calming, cooling effect on the body. Fresh mint leaves are known to soothe the stomach and add a clean, invigorating aroma that can lift your spirits. It's a wonderful way to receive a few extra vitamins and a touch of nature's best in every single glass. The foundation is always fresh, clean water, either still or sparkling. Then comes the joy of choosing your fruits. Soft, natural colors. Zesty lemon, tangy lime, sweet orange, cool cucumber, juicy berries, crisp apple. Complement with mint or basil, and a few thin slices of fresh ginger for warmth. A clear glass jar is perfect for admiring your colorful creation. There is no one right way. Follow your intuition and cravings. Try cucumber and lime on warm days, ginger with orange for cozy seasons. Strawberries, blueberries, and a touch of basil tastes like a summer garden. Use fresh, high-quality ingredients. It's your personal wellness creation. Now, let's walk through the simple, meditative steps of preparing your detox water. The first step is to gather your chosen ingredients. This part of the process should feel slow and intentional. Take a moment to rinse your fruits and herbs under cool, running water, gently washing away any impurities. This small act can be a mindful moment in itself. Lay out your clean glass jar, pitcher, cutting board, knife. By preparing your space, you turn the simple act of making a drink into a calming ritual. It's about creating a peaceful atmosphere in your kitchen before you even begin. Next, it is time to prepare and add your beautiful ingredients to the jar. Slice your fruits into thin, elegant wheels, or into delicate wedges. If you are using berries, you can leave them whole, or slice them in half to release more color and juice. For herbs like mint, you can gently tear the leaves with your fingers. Or basil, gently torn to release aroma. This helps to release their natural oils and fragrant aroma. As you add each element to the jar, do so gently. Let them fall and settle naturally. There is no need to crush or muddle them. The water will do the work of coaxing out their gentle flavors. Watch as the colors layer and create a beautiful mosaic inside the glass. With your ingredients beautifully arranged in the jar, the third step is to infuse. Slowly pour cold water over the fruit and herbs until the jar is full. Or use room temperature water if you prefer. As the water fills the vessel, you'll see the ingredients begin to dance and float. Now, patience is key. Place the jar in the refrigerator and allow the flavors to infuse for at least 2 hours. For a more pronounced taste, let it infuse longer, even overnight for a richer morning greet. A wonderful tip is to simply refill your jar. After your first glass, top up the pitcher 2 or 3 more times using the same fruit and herbs. The flavor will become a little lighter with each refill, still delightfully refreshing. After a full day, discard the used ingredients and start fresh the next morning. This ensures your water is always fresh, safe, and tastes its best. Keeping the jar in the fridge preserves freshness and that crisp, cool taste. To truly elevate your detox water experience, consider how you serve and enjoy it. Pour your beautifully infused water into your favorite glass. Perhaps add a few ice cubes, let them clink, and an extra touch of coolness. You might enjoy sipping it through a reusable glass straw or a metal straw, which can make the experience feel a little more special. For a final flourish, garnish the rim with a thin slice of lemon or a fresh sprig of mint. These small details transform a simple drink into a luxurious moment of self-care. It's about honoring yourself with everyday beauty and joyful presentation. The look and sound of your environment deepen the calm. Pair your glass with soft instrumental music or the gentle sounds of nature so your mind can settle and you can be present as you sip. This isn't just about hydrating your body. It's about soothing your soul and turning a simple act into a holistic ritual. Remember, detox water is a supportive tool, not a cure-all. It gently encourages healthier habits and mindful choices. It beautifully complements a balanced, plant-rich lifestyle. The magic lies in consistency, the daily ritual of creating something healthful for yourself. Explore different flavor combinations each week. Enjoy the process, savor the gentle flavors, and celebrate this positive step. As it becomes routine, let it remind you to be gentle with yourself. Let each glass be a small celebration of your commitment to health and happiness. Embrace the calm, enjoy the nourishment, and let your inner radiance shine through. Hydrate, detox, glow. Stay calm, stay hydrated, and most importantly, stay you. Stay calm, stay hydrated, stay you. Krishna's Tranquil Minds.